Hello, friends. Hi. Good morning. Together, forever, we're a family. Good morning, sleepyheads. It's time to wake up. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, world. Look at the bubbles. They're everywhere. This is so silly. Brush higher.
Good morning, everyone. Here are some warm eggs for Lily and honey bread for Max.
Wow, Mia, thank you. This looks so good.
Yummy.
That tastes amazing. This is the best breakfast. Let's toast to a great day. To a great day. I did it. Look at my shoes. I got it. Yes! Isn't this a perfect day? It's the best, but let's go this way. Look! A butterfly! I'm almost there. Yay! I did it! Whee! Higher and higher! This is so much fun! I'm coming up. I'm almost there. Look at me! I did it! Yes! Again!
Oh, you two are so wonderful.
Look at all these splashes! I'm getting soaked! This is so much fun! Almost there. Whoa! Got it! Ta-da! Time to eat! Yum! Sandwiches! Looks delicious! Indeed! This is my favorite lunch. That is so good.
You've got it all over you.
Look at your nose!
I know. Let's finish this cake.
Almost ready, guys. I can see the edges crisping up. They look so good!
Can we eat them now? They're perfectly golden.
Yeah. Best cookies ever. Best cookies ever!
Ha ha ha. Oh, that's cold. It's just a little bit. Stop, I'm laughing too hard. You're so bubbly.
Zoom, zoom! Look at it go! Time for bed! We had such a fun day, Bramble. Let's read a story.
All right, let's open it up. Look at that.
Wow. Cool.
And then what happens? Good night, Lily. Sweet dreams, Max. Thank you for listening with us today.
Hi. Hello. Hi there. Goodbye. See ya. Bye-bye.
Ha ha ha. Hey hey hey.